Hi dears, welcome to everybody to my online class. I am Sujata, going to speak something about English grammar. I am not taking the class, just I am discussing something about English grammar. Let us start with the question tag. What's question tag? We everybody know that question. We are asking something, that is question. What is question tag? When we assert or affirm some sentence, after that to stress it, we will ask some question. That is called a question tag. For example, here we are saying simple method only. Very simply, how can we study the question tag? I am sharing that experience only to you. So here, in this question tag, different questions may be there. How can we recognize this? For example, you are students, you know something, but now you are studying, you are sitting in your home. The children are playing. Just listen here. They are playing. This is a sentence. They are playing. Here, they. This is subject and are. That is auxiliary, and playing. Playing is the verb. Subject auxiliary verb. And while we are doing something about the question tag, remember that this question tag is the continuation of the statement. That is not separately we are writing. That is the continuation of the statement. What assert the fact or what affirm the statement. So here this is a statement. They are playing. Then how can we write the question tag here? Just to see the subject and auxiliary. So this is a positive sentence. There isn't any negative words here. This is a positive sentence. So from the question tag, these positive sentences will take negative tag. How can you understand this? For your better understanding, I am saying children, just listen this part only. Subject and auxiliary. So as it is a positive sentence, from here you don't think about this part. Just think about this part only. They are playing. So just write this auxiliary first. See this? This is the auxiliary. So write the auxiliary first and write the subject. But it is a positive sentence, so the tag will be negative sentence. So in the middle of this subject and auxiliary, we have to write a negative word, not. So how will you write this? They are playing, aren't they? Aren't they? Have you understood? As it is a positive sentence, we wrote it a negative tag. This are not they. Instead of are not, we wrote it aren't. Have you understood? So here, the positive sentence take negative tag. That is the first thing we have to understand. And remember that this tag one, this is the continuation of the statement that already affirmed. So what we should remember? We never write this tag by starting capital letter. Clear? Tag will always written by using small letter. And the another one thing, here put a comma after the statement or after the sentence. We should write a comma and start what? The tag. So question tag. What is question tag? This is the introduction. Question tag, that is the continuation of the statement. That is the continuation of the statement, and always it will be started by using small letter. Never start with a capital letter. And you never stop the statement here. You don't do that full stop here. That is continuation, and they are playing. Aren't they? By saying something, we will ask our friends or others to confirm it. We will get the answer yes or no. So, aren't they? No need to ask, aren't they playing or are they playing? Do they write? Did they write? Only the short form. So, question tag, that is the short form only, not the continuous sentence. Tag form is the continuation of the statement. Clear? That is the continuation. So, we had to write only a small part by starting with the small letter. That is question tag. So, one by one we can study how can we form the question tags. So, that is the only example I told. I think everybody clear question tag. So, first one, the positive sentence take negative tag. Positive sentence take negative tag. Can you say one example? She is reading. She is reading. This sentence is a positive sentence. There is no negative word in the middle of the sentence. So, how will you change to the question tag? How we will write the question tag? Listen, this is the subject and this is the auxiliary. So, what we will do? It is the continuation only. Just write this and add a note in the middle of these two words. So, how can we say she is reading? Isn't she? Isn't she? Remember children, we should always write question mark also. Isn't she? Clear? That she is reading. Isn't she? Another one, very important one only. Another example. Children like sweets. So, just listen here. Which is the auxiliary here? Can you see any auxiliary word here? Children like. What is it? That is the verb. So, whenever you see such statements, such sentences, what you have to do? You should find out the verb first. If there is no auxiliary, here auxiliary is very clearly written. She is. Is the auxiliary. What was auxiliary? That was the helping verb. So, reading is the verb. Auxiliary is. So, children like sweets. We should split the verb. How can we split? Do plus like. Only here. If it is present tense, does plus like or do plus like. But here it is plural, children. So, that is like only. Do plus like. Children like sweets. How can we say it's tag form? So, do only here. Don't they? Clear? Don't they? That is the tag form of children like sweets. Don't they? Why we wrote it don't they? Because the auxiliary is not clearly mentioned. When that auxiliary is clear here, we can just look at that auxiliary and write it. But here auxiliary is not the like only. Like means do plus like. If it is likes, it will be does plus like. If it is liked, it will be did plus like. So, positive sentences take, what? Always negative tag. Clear? I think everybody clear this. And the second one, negative sentence. Just opposite to that only. Negative sentences will take positive tag. First we told about a positive sentence only. Positive sentences have always negative tag, and the negative sentences will take positive tag. Then can you say one example? For example, it is not raining. See here, it is not raining. What is the auxiliary verb mentioned here? Is. It is. So, not also is here. Not, that is the negate fact, negative sentence. It is not raining is a negative sentence. It negates the fact. So, its tag will be, what may be the tag? Negative sentences will take positive tag. Just look here. It is not raining. So, the tag is it. It is not raining. The tag form is it. So, remember that we never mentioned this negative form here. So, it is not, in the short form, it is in the raining. That is also correct. But here, the tag form is it. Clear? And sometimes you can say, I am not going there. I am not, am I? I am not going. I am not doing. They are not doing. So, the children are not playing from there. They are not playing. They are not playing. So, this is a negative sentence. Sentence is negative, which is the auxiliary are. Name that subject, they. They are not playing. So, the tag form is are they. Are they. Clear, all of you? Positive sentences will take negative tag and negative sentences will take positive tag. That is the first two things we have already studied. Remember, tag form, question tag, that is the continuation of a statement that is not written separately. So, we wrote it by starting small letter only. And another one important thing is, after completing that, we should write a question mark. Clear? Second one. And another one thing, the third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What do you mean by imperative sentence? We have already studied positive sentence, it will take negative tag, and negative sentences will take positive tag. Before we move to the question tag, we have already in the olden days, in the old last year classes, you have already studied different types of sentences. What were they? Positive, affirmative sentence, negative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Such different types of sentences you have already studied. So, here positive sentence means it affirm the fact. Affirmative sentence that affirm the fact, and negative sentence means it negate the fact. And what do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentences, the sentences demands or request something, command, request something. They are called imperative sentence. For your better understanding, remember that imperative sentences are always starting with verb. The sentences starting with the verb are called imperative sentence. Then, for example, the teacher will tell something to you from your class. Stand up, sit down, bring the book, come here, sit down there. So, such sentences are called imperative sentences. What do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are the commands, order or request. For a better understand, remember that they are using by starting with the verb. So here imperative sentences will take will you as the tag. It has will you as the tag. Close the door. Close the door. Somebody told you to close the door. So this close the door. Where is the auxiliary? Here starting with the verb only. So this is an imperative sentence. So its tag will be will you. Imperative sentence have will you as the tag. You never consider it about negative or positive sentence. Only the starting with the verb, all that are what will you as the tag form. Can you say some more example? Come here, sit down, bring your books, close your eyes, open the textbook. All these are the examples of imperative sentences. Have you understood? I think you have already understood positive sentences, negative sentences and imperative sentences. Next, move on to the next one, that is the sentence starting with the letters. Sentences starting with letters. It will take shall we as the tag. Fourth one, sentences starting with the letters. It has shall we as the tag. For example, let us go for a picnic. Let us go for a picnic. The sentence is started by using let. So let us go for a picnic. Its tag form is shall we. Shall we. Clear? Let us have a cup of coffee. Let us have a cup of tea. Let us go for a picnic. Let us do the work. All that, you never see that here verb and all you don't want to see. You don't want to think about this. So whenever you see the sentence starting with let us, its tag will be what? Shall we. And the next one, the fifth one is let me. The fifth one is let me. The sentence start with the let me. It will have shall I as the tag form. Shall I. So here we studied 5 rules. Let me, that is a shall I. Let me do my work. Let me do the work. What may be its tag form? Shall I. Let me do the work. Shall I. All of you clear this? Have you understood all this? Once more remember, positive sentences take negative tag. Negative sentences will take positive tag. Imperative sentence take what? Will you. And the sentence start with the let us. Let us take shall we, and sentence start with the let me. It will take shall I as the tag form. Only this much is about the tag form, and sometimes you will confused by not seeing that auxiliary. I have already told you just to think about the subject and auxiliary. You neglect about the verb and all. First part only, if the auxiliary is there, you don't think anything about the verb and all, the remaining part of the sentence. But if there is not auxiliary clearly mentioned, just to see that verb, you should split the verb. And if that present tense, simple present tense, do plus that verb or does plus that verb, and if it is simple past tense, did plus that verb. For example, likes, does like, do like, liked, did like. And another one example you should remember is that aren't I and I am right. For example, I am right. How will you say that? I'm right. Here, never say amn't I. That is very important. Note this point. Here, I am right. This is positive or negative? This sentence is positive sentence. But here, till this time, how we studied? We told, I have already told you, look at the subject and auxiliary and add what? Note. But here, I am right. Its tag form is not that amn't I. That is aren't I. Remember this one. We never say amn't I, aren't I. Clear all of you? Such a small things only you should remember by studying about question tag. Remember that question tag is a part of the sentence. That is not separately we are doing that. That is only the part of sentence that we have already studied, and only remember these 5 points. Clear all of you? Now I will give some examples to you for your better understanding. Just take down that none of us knew the answer. None of us. None of us knew the answer. None of us knew the answer. Which is the verb here? Which is the verb here? Knew. None. That is a negative one. So what may be its tag form? Did we? Got it? Here why we wrote did we? Knew. This knew is simple past tense. So did plus no, that is knew. So we wrote here did. But by looking that we will think that this is a positive sentence. But none is here. Mentioned none. So this is a negative statement. So how we wrote it? None of us knew the answer. Did we? That is the correct answer. Clear it? All of you got it? None, that is negative, and knew, that is simple past tense. So simple past tense, we split it did plus no. That is why the answer is did we. Second one, he ought to go now. He ought to go now. Ought to. Ought to go now. Ought to go now. Which is the auxiliary here? Ought. So what is its tag form? Ought in he. Ought not. That is ought in he. Ought in he. This is the auxiliary. So we wrote ought in he. The third one, he dared to face the situation. He dared. He dared to face the situation. Dared to face the situation. He dared to face the situation. Dared. What is it? Simple past tense. So the answer is didn't he. He dared to face the situation. Didn't he? Clear it? One more example. We needn't wait there. We needn't wait. Here auxiliary is need, needn't, it is there. This is the negative sentence. So, need we. Need we. I think all of you understood about this question tag. This is the simplest form I told. There are a lot to study about different types of sentences and all. So here remember that while changing, how can we form the question tag? I think everybody clear. Okay. Yes, once more listen. What we have already studied today, that is question tag. We have already studied about the question tag. By summarizing this much only was studied. Very simple one only. Just look at the board. Positive sentences will take negative tag. Negative sentences will take positive tag. And imperative sentences will take will you. The sentence starting with the letters, that will take shall we as the tag. And the sentence starting with let me, it will take shall I as the tag. Only this much is the tag form, question tag. Okay, I think everybody understood. Thank you.